Hello children. In this video we are going to talk about the exercise questions. The first question of the exercise is select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. Now in the first question we have the same kind of plant grown and cultivated on a large scale is called. What is it called? It's not a plant. We know that it is same plant cultivated on a large scale. So it should be crop. And the second one, the first step before growing crops is preparation of soil. We know that we prepare for exam. We talked about that. In a similar way, we prepare the soil also for getting the good crop. That's why second answer is preparation. Now in the third one, damaged seeds, wood. What would it do? Because it is damaged, it doesn't sink. It floats on top of the water. So it is discarded. And then we have what is needed for the crop. Sufficient sunlight and of course water. And also what is required from the soil? It's nothing but nutrients. So that is why for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water and nutrients from the soil are essential. That's our fourth question. Now what goes with kharif crops? It is paddy and maize because those are kharif question crops. We have to whereas rabi crops are wheat, gram with those in column B. The next one is a chemical fertilizers and we know that it is a chemical fertilizer, therefore it is urea and superphosphate. And column B we have food for cattle, urea and superphosphate, animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. These are organic material. These are the manuals that we have paddy generally. Maize. Whereas chemical fertilizers are used only when it is required. It should be done in such a manner. So that is our match the following. Now in the next question that we are going to see is question number 10. Arrange the following boxes in proper order to make a flow chart of sugarcane crop production. Now here we are going to see how sugarcane could be produced and then it is reaching till the sugar factory. So we have to make a flow chart in such a way that the first step, second step, third step, each and every step must be properly put. And we have already studied the agricultural practices. So using that we are going to arrange these in proper order. Now here what are the steps given? Sending crop to sugar factory. Then it's given as irrigation, harvesting, sowing, preparation of soil, plowing the field, manuring. Of course it is not in proper order. The first step as we already know is preparation of soil, then comes plowing the field, then we know that it is sowing, then it is manuring, then we have irrigation, harvesting, and lastly when the crop is ready to go, we harvest it and then send it to the factory. Now the correct order is given here in this flowchart. First step as we discussed is preparation of soil. The second step of course is plowing the field so that the soil is loosened, and after the soil is loosened we sow the seeds so that the seeds could get in and start germinating. After that we come to manuring so that the nutrients essential for the plant to grow is given in proper quantity. Then we have irrigation so that the plants grow in proper order. Of course we know that the water is required for the plant, that's why irrigation. And then when the plant is fully grown we harvest it, and after harvesting we naturally send it to the sugar factory because it is sugar cane, that's why it goes to sugar factory. Next question that we are going to talk about is a puzzle. Now here in the puzzle we have 6 clues given for down and for across. Down means we have to see the words which are coming down from top to bottom, and across from left to right. So first clue given is providing water to the crops. When we provide water to crops, what is the process called? It's irrigation. Keeping crop grains for a long time under protection. This means that we are going to store it, and when we store it we call it as storage. Certain plants of same kind grown on large scale, what we call it? We call it a crop. Now across, a machine used for cutting the mature crops. When the crops are mature, what do? We harvest, and the machine that we use nowadays is harvester. A rabi crop, that's also one of the pulses. Pulses as in the dal, that's why it is starting with G, so we call it gram. And the last one, the process of separating grain from the chaff or the unwanted material of the seed is called as winnowing. So that's how all the clues are to be solved. Now let's put that in the puzzle that's given and then see the answer. Now this is the answer. The first one as we discussed is irrigation, then comes storage, then comes crop. Now these are to be arranged from top to bottom and across as in from left to right. So harvester, gram and winnowing. This is how the completed puzzle would look like. So that's all for now and have a good day.